Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Taurus for the mid-month of the August, that is from the 15th till the 15th of the September. Okay. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID, which is already there in the description. So Taurus, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading pulling some final advice for you, Taurus. Okay. In the recent past, we have Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands, the Hermit. In the present situation, we have Eight of Wands, Five of Wands, Knight of Swords. In the recent near future, we have Eight of Cups, Queen of Wands, Ten of Cups. Challenge for the mid-month is the Page of Cups. I do feel a certain person could be coming your way, Taurus. Maybe a certain person could be offering you an emotional connection, or this person could be here in order to give you some apology, or this could be you who is actually moving towards another person in order to offer them an emotional connection. I'm going to clarify why is this Page of Cups is here before that. In a moment, yeah. In the recent past, there's the Nine of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Hermit. Many of you in the recent past, Taurus, you guys were guarding up yourself. You know, someone wanted to have a new start in the recent past. You just gave up with it. Though there was a new start which was offered for many of you in the recent past, you just gave up with that person because many of you were taking too long time in order to analyze the situation with that person. Okay, I'm gonna clarify. In the present, we have Eight of Wands, there is Five of Wands, Knight of Swords. Someone is coming into your life, Taurus, in the present situation. This person is actually trying to communicate with you, trying to have clarification regarding a conflict which might be taking in the present situation, which might be happening between you and the other person in the present situation. Okay, this person is here to have some communication in order to have some clarification between you guys. Could be an air sign, could be a Virgo, could be, I do feel, Aquarius, a Libra, Gemini. In the near future, there's the Eight of Cups, Queen of Wands, there's a Ten of Cups. Many of you, there's a chances to be with the person, emotionally connected with the person. There's a chance for many of you, there's a chance for you to get into a relationship which will totally fulfill you. Could be a fire sign also, could be elder than you, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Many of you are actually leaving behind a situation which is not actually serving you and moving towards a person. That's what I see here, Taurus. I'm going to clarify the Page of Cups for you, the challenge for the mid-month. Who is this coming your way? Or is this you who is apologizing towards a person? I do feel a certain person is coming your way here. Okay, Taurus. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Two of Cups. Yes. The Magician. The High Priestess. Okay. It's a soulmate connection coming your way, Taurus. The one with whom you do want to get into, or many of you guys are manifesting this person in the present situation. You are actually asking for this person or a certain relationship where you can deeply involve emotionally with this person, where you can deeply connect with this person. Okay, you guys are manifesting this person. That's what I see here. Or this person is actually manifesting you. They do want to come near you, Taurus. I do feel in the present situation, you guys are being silent. You're not letting the other person know how you really feel about them, or you're not sure about your decision. With the High Priestess, I do feel you guys are not very sure about a certain person or a certain situation. You are actually keeping it so secret situation, or you're not letting the other person know what you're thinking, what are you doing, what you're thinking about. Though there is an emotional connection present in the horizon for many of you, you guys are not actually taking action. That's what I see here. Okay. In the recent past, there's a Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands, the Hermit. I'm going to clarify the Nine of Wands in the recent past. Many of you are actually guarding up, actually acting like a gave up with a person. Why are you? Actually, you're not. There's a new start. There was an opportunity for a new start. For many of you, I do feel you didn't really take that one. The Nine of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, the Death, the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, there was a huge potential with this person who came in the recent past. Could be, yeah, this is a direct message for you also, Taurus. There was a new person, or many of you, in order to protect yourself, from a situation, I do feel you missed a chance of connected to a person who truly loves you. You missed a chance. I do feel like you just ended a situation in the past with this person. You just missed it. I do feel like that, in order to protect yourself. Or you might thought that this situation or relationship is not going to be very well for me, or that's why you guys actually ended up a relationship with a person. I'm going to clarify the Hermit here. In the recent past, many of you are actually, instead of taking action, instead of having a brand new start here, you just decided to overthink about a certain opportunity which was given to you, Taurus. I'm going to clarify the Hermit here. The Hermit is clarified by the Seven of Swords, the King of Cups, the Three of Swords. I do feel this was the person with whom you were already in connection with. This person actually came up with you in the recent past. In order to actually, this person was actually, maybe you do have emotional feelings towards this person. You still have that attachment with this person, but I don't really feel you trust this person very well, because in the recent past, or in the past when you were already in relationship with this person actually tried to fool you, tried to take advantage of you, this person lied you. That's what I see here. Many of you, there is already breakup happened with you and this person. Instead of taking a brand new beginning, you just decided to end the situation there and then. Okay, that's what I see. In the present, there is the Eight of Wands, the Five of Wands. There is a Knight of Swords. I'm going to clarify the Knight of Swords here in the present situation for you, Taurus. Someone is coming your way very fast. Could be an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is coming very fast to have some communication with you, some clarity. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Four of Swords, Nine of Swords, the Ten of Cups. Yes, this person is here to offer you an emotional connection, to have some emotional connection with you, Taurus, because this person is going through a healing procedure. This person is actually deeply thinking about you. This person is the one who actually going through a painful situation. Okay, this person is like, no, I couldn't live without Taurus. No, this person is actually feeling anxiety. This person is actually feeling so stressful. This person do want to take action towards you, but this person really wanted to take an action towards you, but was waiting for an opportunity. But here in the present moment, I see this person is bursting into your life, just coming very far, coming very fast, in order to end the stressful situation, end the painful situation with you. Okay, this person do want to have emotional connection or family with you. That's what I see here, Taurus, for many of you in the present situation. I'm going to clarify the Five of Wands. Why is this fight going on with you and the other person in the present situation? Why are you not ready to listen to this person? Why are you not ready to have some communication? Five of Wands is clarified by the Tower. There is the Ten of Swords. There is the Emperor. Yes, in the recent past, you had, maybe this is your ex coming your way, Taurus. You had a strong connection with this person in the past. Something happened, there was a fight happened in the past. Many of you, it was like the situation between you guys, the connection broke out very badly. You just decided to come out of the emotional connection with this person, just to disconnect from this person. There was a painful ending happened with the Ten of Swords. Definitely you just ended the situation very painfully, ended being in connection with this person, ended the relationship. But many of you, this actually drained you up, where it's drained you totally. You had so much of stability towards this person. You thought this person could be the one with whom I can rely on. You had so much of trust towards this person. I do feel this person broke your trust here. The Emperor wasn't there in the past. It means like the thing you were expecting, you are not getting in with this person. That's what I feel here. I'm going to clarify the Eight of Wands for many of you in the present moment. What is the message from the Eight of Wands? you're getting some clarity with the communicating with this person. That's what I get here. 8 of Wands is clarified with the 8 of Wands, this person. Okay, the 9 of Wands, the Lovers. Yes, this person didn't give up the situation with you, Taurus. This person is here to give you some clarity about a certain situation. They're here to show that though the situation broke between us in the past, though we just got disconnected, or though there is no connection, there is no such strong connection between us, but still this person is here to show that they didn't give up with you. They do have a strong connection, or they do trust you. They do have the same bond which was there in the past. Okay, they are here to have the same connection back with you, Taurus. They're here to show you they're very passionate about you. They're still manifesting you. They're still manifesting you. Yes, that's what I see here. They're here to express how they feel about you, though the situation got ended in the past, but still they're like they have the same powerful attraction towards you, Taurus. They attract for your physical beauty. They attract for your mental beauty. They're so attracting towards you here. Okay, in the near future, many of you are actually disconnecting from a situation which is not serving you. Yes, could be a significant person is showing up here. Could be a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. I'm going to clarify the 8 of Cups. Many of you, could be a person also, moving away from a certain situation which is not serving. 8 of Cups is clarified by the 6 of Cups, 6 of Swords, the 2 of Cups. Many of you are actually moving towards a strong place. Maybe I do feel many of you are actually coming. Someone from the past is coming your way. Definitely the 6 of Cups. I do feel this person, whoever coming in the near future, you both have certain memories. There is certain bond. You really were manifesting this person, or I do feel you guys have lot more memories, or you both are manifesting this in the same present moment. You are manifesting them and they're manifesting you. That's what I see here. This person is appearing in the near future from the past, okay, from your past, okay. Many of you, I do feel you guys are moving towards this person with the 6 of Swords. I do feel that you guys are actually moving towards the person here. Okay, coming out of a confusion situation. Actually, you might have blocked this person. You left this person being secretive, or you were so secret. This person was always trying to come to you to know what you really feel about them. All these days you were so silent because there was a lot of confusion in your head. There was a lot of lack of clarity about this person. That's why you guys might have blocked. Finally, you're coming out of that block situation and taking a decision. Many of you, I do feel you guys are moving towards this person. I'm going to clarify the 10 of Cups in the near future. There's a getting together with a person very happily, emotional connection I do see here for you, Taurus. Before that, I'm going to clarify the Queen of Wands. Why is this person appearing in the near future? About the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is clarified by the 2 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands itself, the 5 of Cups. Yes, this person is deciding. This person is appearing here in order to know what this Taurus decide about me. 2 of Pentacles is your energy, right? You guys are deciding whether to move towards this person or whether to just abandon the situation, just lose that person. That's why this person is actually here to wait for your decision. I'm going to clarify the 10 of Cups. I do feel many of you are actually moving towards emotional connection. Why is this 10 of Cups here? Message from the 10 of Cups. The 10 of Cups is clarified with the Page of Wands, the Hierophant. There is a Page of Swords. There's a possibly marriage is going to happen for many of you in the near future, Taurus. So be ready. Many of you are actually starting a new life, new journey with a person in the near future. Could be an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Someone is younger than you, okay. Definitely, I do feel there is a marriage is going to take place in the near future for many of you, Taurus. So advice here for you, Taurus, surrender to the divine. Okay, there's a full moon. Yes, you have to be surrendered emotionally to a person. When this person, the manifested person, finally appears to you, there's no any other options, right? You have to surrender. It's finally happening. The divine is getting you to a person to whom you were manifesting from a very long time, about whom you were so silent, about whom you were so secretive. It's going to come out. Okay, your emotions are coming out, so you have no any other options. You have to surrender. That is all I have for the Taurus people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. Yes, you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.